Welcome, dear customers and visitors. Amethyst Violet is a color that can be used in many 3D models. It is so shiny and silky that you can print everything in a single color. However, if you combine it with other silk filaments or even other materials, you will get an extraordinary effect. Fortunately, we sell both spools and refills, so we can use a Bambu Lab master spool or we can print our own master spool that fits most printers and multicolor devices. Spectrum Filaments has made a nice PLA silk that I like to combine with my new favorite filament called sterling silver PLA silk. Together they create a futuristic cyberpunk look. For example, take a look at this bit holder made by Nasik. The interior and accents were printed with silver, and the outside shell was made with Amethyst Violet. Remember to print slowly and hot to get a nice shiny effect. It was a great moment to clean my old rusty bits in an ultrasonic cleaner with a special solution. Even the plastic bag from the refill comes in handy, as I can use it so I don't waste all the water or solution in the tank. After cleaning and drying, I used a bit of silicone spray to make them rust-proof for a while. Now let's put them inside and see how it looks. I made two small mistakes here, so maybe I can save you time and filament. I tried to print the upper part flat with supports, and the inside flat surface does not look great. The other problem is that this case is made for shorter drill bits. If you have longer ones, it will not close. Now I need to make another one. I mentioned that a single color works great, so take a look at this small sphere. It has a custom texture applied by a tool made by CNC Kitchen, which is open source and available for everyone to use. Great move! I will share the link in the description. The color is strong and deep, and the silk effect reflects light equally well. So overall, I can tell that this filament is worth the money. Some of the clips you are seeing today might have mixed white balance and colors to achieve a cooler look, but overall the violet is clearly visible. Another short print was so-called NASA fabric, printed on a special print bed that contains another texture. Unfortunately, we lose a bit of shininess on the first layer, but we gain these nice triangular holographic shapes. This model simply shows how we can use this color and filament in other projects I already have in mind. So remember to subscribe and stay tuned. Being a fan of gaming, I immediately thought about Cyberpunk 2077 when seeing this color. I printed these small mantis blades for fingers. Beware, they are pointy but not so sharp, and super fun to play with. They are easy to assemble, and I use rose gold PLA silk to print the mounting pins. I think I'll make a bigger version for arms using sterling silver. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And now the biggest and the last model for today. A collapsible katana in style of Cyberpunk. Here I went bold and mixed a few filaments. For the blade, I used Amethyst Violet, but the edge was printed with PLA Crystal Raspberry red to get a glow effect. I printed each part separately and replaced the filament at the different heights. For the handle, I used sterling silver to imitate metal. And for the decals, I used PETG Premium Pearl Gold. After putting the blades together and mounting it inside the handle, I glued the handle and decals together. Here is the final effect. I played a bit with the lighting and scenes to get some awesome shots, so I hope you like what you see. Grab your Spectrum Filaments, PLA Silk, Amethyst Violet for 10% off with code SPECTRUMYT10 in our shop.spectrumfilaments.com. Well, that's all for today. I hope this helped you make your decision. Please leave a like and say hi in the comments if you want. See you in the next one.